Nagabenta ke khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Khublei phi baro kini kilong ki khubor bamta kasni. Tnad Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited MEECL Kamla Pynlip boarding hadu menta. Yathu Menteri Tnad boarding 80 Mondal Shakilat Pathai menaka arkhundai trek uyayong. Menteri uyathu Tnad gele banum Pynlip ding ne ka jingpom kam ni ka load shedding hapo ka jilla. Hadu mentahi ompat pentri kam ni ka load shedding bala pentikna banum pentri kam ni ka load shedding kat kabala. Hynrei ka jingnip ding ka day baka MEECL kalala banai boarding klem ka jingthun. Ha ka por balong exam ka embos bar kumjuru ha ka por balong ka election lok sabha hapo ka jilla. Ngi kaban ban pentip bangilala banne ya ka ne da ka ba pentikna baka numdan ka load shedding ong umandal haba kular menta. Ngila persyang kat bala ban kmi banginom lek sya ka load shedding. Haba pentip baga jilla ka syanya ateli haki hydropower project ban penmi boarding. Menteri ulo ong kini ki project ki syanya ateli ha uslam ban menta usnem ko balong ha usnem balala uslam ulawan snem. Ban ni syukelman ba uslam unsawan ha Meghalaya ha kini ki kendiat tayo ban wan bat lada kani ko ulong ni kelmen banginom lek sya ka load shedding. Karai jong menteri rang ba ka jilla kalong bangin ai ka boarding electric klem ka jingthun. Ngidang tray ki kam hagini ki benta batungin kanmen mangin kenjo ya ka ula penram. House nem balala ka jilla kala sakhi ya ka jingpom boarding babun kenta haga bahadu nyo kenta lahap nip boarding haga jaka sol bar hadu khandai kenta hagi jaka nong kendong. Menta usnem hadu menta ngim patlet shaka load shedding.
Is because of load shedding. The other reason because of shutdown. Now load shedding means we do not have any source of energy and ultimately we have no option but to go for power cut. The second reason is shutdown. Shutdown happens due to various reasons. And these reasons are maybe conductor snapping, maybe lightning, maybe transformer burning, trees falling on the live wires and all these things. Then our people take shutdown to repair substation, to repair transformer, to repair the lines and all these things. As of now, we have not gone for any load shedding, and we are working to see that as far as possible will not go for load shedding. Our first target was to see that this time board examination, all the board examination should pass without any interruption, and we are happy to say that we have done that. Second thing, we decided that election also should see that there is no load shedding. We have completed that one. Now we are trying our level best to see that we don't go for any load shedding. But as all of you are aware that our major source of electricity is from hydropowers, state-owned hydropowers, and this depends on the rainfall. This year also, like last year, the rain is a little bit delaying, and we are just hoping that it should land in Meghalaya maybe in next couple of weeks. And if that is the case, then hopefully we will not go for any load shedding. The mandate from Honorable Chief Minister is that we will have to provide uninterrupted power supply. We are working on that line. Let us hope that we will achieve that.
But why there is a lot of
Gusty wind outside the room, and whole day you might have experienced. This creates a lot of problem for us because line passes through dense forest, line passes through many localities which are having trees and all these things, and due to that this problem happens. It will be too early to decide. Let us try to work out to see that we avoid load shedding as far as is possible, and we'll try to do that.
So we are
Load shedding. Just imagine last year by this time we were having load shedding for 7 hours in our urban areas and almost 9 hours in rural areas. This year till now we have not gone for any such scheduled load shedding.
but don't you think
Yeah, if you tell that way, that is there. But if we go for load shedding also, you will get angry. And if we don't go for load shedding also, if you criticize, then to go. This
Last
different.
year,
Last year we tried to regulate the load shedding so as that with the time we can manage it. This year we prepared from quite long time back that how we will go as per our supply and demand is concerned. Till now we are managing. Today I attended office. I met people going through the files. I did not have. Maybe another 1-2 day will take me to have and maybe next day to some other parts. And as and when it is required, we are generating.